1, crescendo!
Qualification match number 3. Many notes up, not a whole lot going in. Cert running to the center of the field, and they shoot from quite far away. And they aren't able to grab the second note. It looks like multiple robots, or one robot on the Blue Alliance used the A-stop feature. And we come out of the autonomous period. Steel Ridge lining up to go to the amp. It's in, it's good. Stormbreakers, they shoot, it doesn't quite go in, but 25-21 will try to compensate, but they aren't able to make it. Let's see if the Red Alliance can come back from that. They shoot one in, it's good. Can Cert get their redemption? They line up, they do get it in. Generals and Scalawags trying to use the same space of the field that the others are occupying, but they do eventually sort themselves out. A broken note somehow around the blue speaker. Never quite seen that. Generals try to take a shot. It doesn't quite go in. And multiple other notes from 1359 and 749 trying to go in, but didn't quite make it. Generals will line up and try again, but they also don't quite make it. Red Alliance also having the same struggles of trying to get their notes up into the speaker. 1 minute, 10 seconds left, 32-21. Steel Ridge going up with a folded note in their intake. They don't quite make it in. Generals zipping across the field. They don't quite get the note because it was up vertically, but it has now fallen and they've got it, and they're zooming over to the blue side of the field, taking command of this cycle. They shoot, it's up and in. 45 seconds left. Scalawags accidentally dropping the note that was in their intake. They go back for it, they get it before anyone can steal it, and they move underneath the blue stage. They're gonna have to fend off the circuit breakers. They do try to line up, sorry, the Stormbreakers. They aren't able to get the shot up though. We are about to enter the end game period. A broken note in the Stormbreakers intake. Shots going up from the human players themselves, those high notes. None of them make it though. And Steel Ridge is up off the ground. 749 isn't quite off the ground. Scalawags get up. Cert's trying to line up and they don't quite make it. The match will be under review, currently 46-41. Qualification match number 13, your final score. The winner going to the Red Alliance. 51 to 46. A note with that match, the Red Alliance did violate G424. That's touching a blue robot in the blue stage during the end game, meaning that the Blue Alliance did get the ranking point for the ensemble.